the Social Services Committee to order. We approved from the previous minutes. Is there a motion to approve? Motion second. All in favor?
I
Opposed?
think it's
That's
batteries.
unanimous. Okay, on to current business. Deputy Commissioner, item 1,
2, 3, 4, right?
authorizing an agreement with Cayuga Centers regarding the provision of parent-partner services.
Thank you. We respectfully request that we receive monies for, or I should say, we authorize a program and go into a contract with Cayuga Center for parent-partner services. This is actually funded under the Supervision and Treatment Support Services for Juveniles, so it is reimbursed through that STSJP plan. The focus will be on our PINS-related population, because at this point in time, the new legislation as of January 1st, 2020, we can no longer remand youth that are identified as PINs, so they can't utilize secure detention. So we have to think of ways that we can support families, resolve conflicts in the home, so the child can remain within the family. So parent partners are family members who have gone through the system, that they've either struggled with juvenile justice system, the mental health system, child welfare system, and they really are credible messengers, that these families really engage with them because they've walked their walk. They've dealt with children that have challenges. So we would like to have this parent-partner program. We did put an RFP out, and Cayuga Center scored the highest.
Thank you. Are there any questions from the committee? Hearing none, is there a motion to approve?
Thank you.
Motion, second. Second, all in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Pass unanimous. Okay, on to item 2 on the agenda, authorizing an agreement with LaSalle School regarding juvenile justice raise the age services.
Yes, thank you. We are looking at expanding the Evening Reporting Center and Family Center for the Raise the Age youth. So we're looking at 16 and 17-year-olds in this program. This was approved by the State Office of Children and Family Services through our Raise the Age plan. This is going to be a separate contract because we need to track the children that are Raise the Age, because it's 100% reimbursed by the state.
Thank you.
Soon to be commissioner. Is this a 0 to 5?
Oh, no,
What's-
this is 16 and 17-year-olds.
Okay, I thought
So
I
it's
saw, is there another program tonight that's,
I think it was last month.
okay, maybe I saw, okay.
But we
Early
just did
convention.
a LaSalle contract very recently.
With,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah,
okay, that's why
same
I was
provider.
confused. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Are there any other questions from the committee? Okay, none, motion to approve. Motion, Mr. Afakoro, second. Mr. Bruschi, all in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Pass unanimous. Okay, number 3, confirming the appointment of the Commissioner of the Department of Children, Youth, and Families.
Okay.
So maybe we'll just give us a brief introduction.
Okay. Again, my name is Maura Manning. I've been working with Albany County for the past 25 years. I started my career off in preventive services and worked for Project Strive, and then became the coordinator of the residential program dealing with foster care youth, children that were immediately removed. And again, I came to the department when it was created, but prior to that, I was with mental health department and was a supervisor of a crisis stabilization program, really having children avoid going into psychiatric care. I also was the administrator of a SAMHSA grant, which is a Substance Abuse Mental Health Service Administration grant. Was $9.4 million infused into the county to provide system of care services, which again, the Parent Partners is one piece of the system of care that we offer here in Albany County. And I think it's been a natural integration of the Department for Children, Youth, and Families, that we really want to help families navigate the very cumbersome services and really have one doorway so family and children's needs get met.
Thank you. Ms. Lockhart?
I'm thrilled to death, Maura. I've known you for 30-some years back in the trenches where we both worked at different agencies, and it's wonderful to have you on board.
Thank you.
Really great. Congratulations. I'd love to, go ahead.
I share my colleague's view that you bring a tremendous wealth of personal experience to this job, and that's great, and we love to see that. And I'm just kind of curious how you see your new role letting you do things that you've wanted to do in your past, but you lack that title or that standing to do. And what kind of goals do you have for yourself this term?
I think, again, collaboration with community agencies, that we really need to work together and pool our resources so we can serve families. And we also have to think outside the box, such as the Parent Partner Program. When we had the SAMHSA grant, we had an evaluation component to it as well, and saw that the outcomes were much improved. The child's functioning in school, the children were happier, parents felt a level of satisfaction. And so, things like that, we have to be creative.
That's great.
Mr. Burley.
Sure, just as sort of a constituent of sorts, as an Albany County foster parent, I congratulate you. You have big shoes to fill, but I think you know that.
Yes, I do.
But I also know that you have a tremendous group of people supporting you and a tremendous staff to help you. So, and with the chairman's indulgence, I'd request that perhaps Ms. Lockhart would have the honor of being able to move the nomination, if that.
I'd be honored to.
Yes, I'd be happy
nomination.
to give you that honor. I'm going to let Mr. Bergdorf, he has a question too. Not on the committee.
Once
ask a
again,
question.
I have worked with the department, I have worked with more, kind of like neighbors, and I am thrilled that you're taking this position. I wonder if you have given any thought, we're going to be facing a very difficult state budget year. Do you see, with a lot of focus on Medicaid, how does that trickle down to children and families?
Well, I think when you look at, such things as children not being remanded any longer, if there is a need that a child does need PINS-type behavior and get placed, then that would be the county share. So we have to be very conscientious and really look at services to keep that child safely and improve the family functioning. So again, I think that's our key to really keep children in the community as long as they are safe.
Mr. Simpson.
Maura, you know that we've been working, in the recent past about the issue of shootings in Albany. And I was wondering, in terms of some of the proposals that we were brainstorming, what is the priority on your agenda in terms of addressing systematically the issue of youth violence in Albany?
And I think some things we're looking into getting more actively involved is the GIVE and the LEAD program I need a better understanding of that in order to know what is happening on a daily basis in the community. And I think working with our law enforcement is key as well. As Patty has indicated, I've worked with Colony for many, many years, and I want to have that same relationship, as I have in the past, with Albany, but with their new leadership.
Are there any other questions from the committee? Hearing none, I'd like to give Ms. Lockhart the honor of...
I'd be very honored to make a motion to approve the appointment, the confirmation, I should say, of the Commissioner, Maura Manning.
Is there a second?
Second.
Mr. Simpson seconds. All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Passed unanimous. Congratulations. Motion to adjourn, Mr. Cleary. Second, Mr. Ruski. All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Passed unanimous. Meeting is adjourned.